हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय द लेजेंडरी भाटिया साहब एंड द लेजेंडरी मनन छिपर टू प्रीव्यू गेम वीक 25. We'll talk about the double game week जो कंफर्म हो चुका है, which has dropped after Arsenal beat Chelsea last night in the Carabao Cup. बात करेंगे कि हमारी रैंक्स सेम पोजीशन पे क्यों है फॉर ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन अ मंथ नाउ, एंड क्या कर सकते हैं हम टू चेंज इट, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट ग्रे एरोज मैन, वी वांट रेड एरोज, बिकॉज रेड एरोज इज व्हाट एफपीएल इज ऑल अबाउट. सो विल डिस्कस ऑल दैट. बट टू स्टार्ट एवरीथिंग, मेरे और मनन के बीच में बेट लगी है. हमारी एक प्रिडिक्शंस गेम होती है कि फुलहम एवर्टन मनन के हिसाब से 0-0 होगा दोस्तों. सो अगर 0-0 हुआ, मैंने प्रॉमिस किया है कि मैं मनन को 10,000 INR इमीडिएटली ट्रांसफर करूंगा.
आईएनआर की बात हुई थी क्या?
INR की बात हुई थी.
ओके ओके.
या
मुझे लगा
you want पाकिस्तानी रुपया?
No,
I'll be happy
I'll
to give
take
that as
USD or euros, but it's okay. INR is fine.
सॉरी सर, मेरी इतनी औकात नहीं है. ये औकात नहीं है.
It's okay. इसमें बुरा मानने वाली बात नहीं है.
ये जो मिलियन है ना, वो पैसा नहीं है, वो रैंक है मेरी.
ओके, अच्छा.
Exactly. चलो, now that we have that clarified, दोस्तों लाइक करो एंड
Please
सब्सक्राइब
like
टू द
and
चैनल
subscribe.
एंड हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करो, एफपीएल गपशप मिनी लीग ज्वाइन करो. 10,000 रुपीज मनन को जब मिलेंगे 0-0 के बाद, उसमें से आधा पैसा वो एफपीएल गपशप मिनी लीग के विनर को देगा एट द एंड ऑफ दिस.
ये कब डिसाइड हुआ भाई? ये
मतलब वो अपने पास ही रखने वाला है.
बट द मोस्ट, क्या बोलूं मैं, मतलब
बोरिंग,
underwhelming double has
Yeah.
dropped on us. Arsenal versus Wolves, where everyone's gonna have the same players and everyone's gonna have the same captain. No one's gonna have any player from the other team except probably Manan. But Manan, let me come to you. The double has dropped. Arsenal versus Wolves for game week 26. Any first and final thoughts on this? And what is your plan? Who do you plan to get? Is it anyone other than Timber, Rice, and Gabriel?
Yeah, it's a shit double. थोड़ा सा chaos चाहिए था यार. मतलब चेल्सी एक आधा गोल मार लेती थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम में. थोड़ा एक तो वो मैच इतना बुरा था, genuinely इतना बुरा था, right? And Arsenal, everyone knew कि यही होगा double, so nothing special with respect to picks. Arsenal में तो it's quite straightforward. अब Saka भी, I think he'll be out for this double, I think, because there's this quote running जहाँ पे उसने बोला he hopefully कि वो नॉर्थ लंडन डार्बी के लिए वापस आ जाए, something like that.
Yeah.
So I don't think he's available for this double. So again, Rice, Gabriel and Timber are the default sort of triple up जो people will prefer. There's Raya, obviously लोगों के पास Raya in place of Timber. Something I'm considering is triple defense because I have Saka and I need to sell him. So I'm thinking about going triple defense. Madueke is an option now because I think he'll play in the double. He might play both games with Saka injured. So he could be a outside punt, but nothing extraordinary. Wolves में I don't even know किसको लाना है. Actually अच्छे matches नहीं है. Maybe you get a defender just for Defcons because Forest और Arsenal के against Defcons आ सकते हैं. You can get 4 extra points. That's the only player I'm expecting Wolves to score a lot of goals in the doubles क्योंकि दोनों fixtures थोड़े से relatively difficult है. Arsenal at home and Forest for an attacker. So I don't think attacker पे punt बनता है. Yeah.
भाटी साहब, आपके ट्रांसफर की आगे बात करेंगे because I think you also have Saka. Yeah, you sold Saka. You have Saka.
Last week he sold ना.
You sold Saka
For
और
the-
Mbeumo. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My question to you is कि are you considering a triple captaincy on someone this game week?
I think Gabriel triple captain can be considered, probably closer to 26 deadline बात कर सकते हैं, but I think he's definitely the standout captain. Arsenal defense, Arsenal में मतलब अगर आप FPL assets की बात करो, everyone would say कि defenders better है, and गलत नहीं है क्योंकि attack आपसे better कौन जान सकता है कि कितना enterprising Arsenal का attack. So just get their defenders, 1 लाओ 2 लाओ 3 लाओ, जैसे मनन बोल रहा है, triple up is definitely not a bad option. और आगे अगर आपके चिप्स है खेलने को, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू प्ले द फ्री हिट इन वन ऑफ द डबल्स और ब्लैंक्स एंड बेंच पुश करना है, सो यू डोंट रियली हैव टू मेनी ऑप्शंस जहाँ पे आप ट्रिपल कैप्टन यूज कर सकते हो. तो हमें मेरे हिसाब से सीरियसली कंसिडर करना चाहिए टू कैप्टन और ट्रिपल कैप्टन गैब्रियल एज वेल, क्योंकि काफी हाई फ्लोर है उसका. 8 to 10 पॉइंट्स आप वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, unless something brutal happens where they conceded both games, then you can forget winning the title as well for Arsenal. But एक क्लीन शीट तो आप वर्स्ट केस एक्सपेक्ट करोगे. and Gabriel Defcon bonus सब देता है, तो I think triple captaincy is not the worst shot.
Just Rakshit, sorry, I want to just add on this triple captaincy. Let's say if triple captaincy अगर हम project करेगी, let's say if Gabriel gets 1 clean sheet, Defcon in 1, what that's 4 for appearance in both, and then 4 for clean sheet. 10 points तो यूं ही आ गए, right? And then you expect a couple of bonus दोनों games का मिला के. So is a 12 point, 10 point, 10 to 15 point का अगर रक्षित अगर मैं आपको बोलूं एक safe scenario है with Gabriel, are you tempted? Does it tempt you for a Gabriel triple captaincy?
Wow, safe. That's like the best case scenario for a triple
Yeah.
captain. मतलब you won't get Salah type के hauls भाई जो last season मिले थे, वो
Exactly.
बहुत rare था.
Haaland
if
से
you're
भी नहीं
getting
expect कर
anything-
सकते इस साल उतना.
नहीं कर
Yeah.
सकते. मैंने भाटी साहब ने 2 पॉइंट के लिए ट्रिपल कैप्टन किया था उसे अगेंस्ट लीड्स एट होम, राइट? सो मुझे लगता है एनीथिंग डबल डिजिट इज वाओ. इवन इफ आई गेटिंग लाइक एन 8 पॉइंट और समथिंग, इट्स नॉट बैड. थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटिंग होगा बट नॉट बैड बिकॉज यू गेटिंग वन रिटर्न इन वन ऑफ द मैचेस एट लीस्ट. Why I like triple captaincy for Gabriel especially in this double game week is एक तो दोनों अवे मैचेस हैं और मुझे लगता है आर्सेनल अवे फ्रॉम होम थोड़ा और डिफेंसिवली स्विच ऑन होती है क्योंकि उस पर कोई ऐसा क्राउड प्रेशर नहीं होता है कि यू नो दे हैव टू प्ले एक्सपेंसिव फुटबॉल एंड ऑल. एंड मुझे लगता है कि समहाउ उन्हें अवे फ्रॉम होम थोड़ा सूट करता है खेलना, स्पेशली फ्रॉम अ क्लीन शीट पीओवी. सेकंड इज कि देयर इज अ एफए कप गेम इन बिटवीन दीज टू मैचेस. दैट्स द इंटरेस्टिंग बिट कि I think Arsenal have a very easy match or something in the FA Cup, so they
Wigan home.
absolutely no. Exactly. So they absolutely don't need to play Gabriel in that. He will not play in that match. Their priority is the Premier League. कोई और distraction नहीं है. They finished first in the UCL, so उनका कोई playoff नहीं है. Pure focus इनका Premier League पे. Gabriel will start both the matches if he's fit. And I think worst case scenario is one clean sheet, man. Like I can't see a scenario जिसमें Arsenal दोनों में ना रहे. FPL is a strange game, but मुझे लगता है कि हो सकता है. Brentford game में he can get Defcons also, in fact. So मुझे लगता है, and of course मतलब he can, if he scores a goal then आपकी चांदी होगी.
Yeah,
जो I
and
think
he
काफी
can.
टाइम से आया नहीं है. He can because he's Gabriel, as likely
दो
as any
क्लीन शीट
defender
भी आ
to
गए
do
तो
it.
it's more than enough यार. अगर दो क्लीन शीट आ
Exactly,
गए तो भी
exactly. That's 15
Yeah,
points.
around 15 points.
He's gonna
yeah.
get 15 points. He's gonna get
Yeah,
15
easy.
points. So I think it's a great window to do it. Just use it, get it out of the way, man. End of the season मैं देख रहा था fixtures है, scenarios है, but मतलब from a City POV देख लो या from an Arsenal POV देख लो, मतलब if the league is over by then, मतलब you can't even rely on both these teams. उनकी कुछ अलग priority हो सकती है at that point of time. So अभी जब आपका player खेल रहा है, full switched on है, मोटिवेशन है, मुझे लगता है फिक्सचर है, सब कुछ है, रेस्ट है बीच में 1 हफ्ते का, 3 दिन का गैप भी नहीं है दोनों मैचेस के बीच में. आई थिंक इट्स अ आइडियल विंडो टू प्रॉब्ली यूज इट. फ्रॉम अ अदर प्लेयर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू यू कैन टेक पंट्स, बट देन फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप माडुएके या कोई भी प्लेयर ले आए, राइट, कुड बी ग्योकेरेस, कुड बी एनीवन, you get them in, probably get them out. Do you want
Yeah.
these players longer term? I don't think so. In any match do we actually know कौन सा Arsenal attacker कुछ करेगा? Probably no. So 2 defenders, maybe 3 defenders also fine longer term. So Rice, Timber, Gabriel, Raya, यही 4 है जो मुझे काफी पसंद है, to be honest. Anything else to add or we'll move on?
Let's move on.
Let's move on to our teams. First हूँ मैं, but joined first too. Thank you Manan for keeping my team first. क्योंकि बहुत
Always,
time
sir.
हो गया देखे भाई. Still on a red arrow. So yay. 57 points. Captain, I don't know when City were 2-0 up against Spurs at halftime. Haaland got an assist, and the way City were playing, I saw Christian Romero went off at halftime. They had Danso, Dragusin, Palinia, Archie Gray, Udogi, Vicario. I'm like, fuck यार, ये तो चलो यहाँ पे hopefully कुछ कर दे यहाँ पे Erling Haaland और double digit आ जाए. But I don't know what the fuck happened in that match. City were disgusting. Spurs stepped up and Haaland remained on 5 points. I think it was pretty poor overall. So fair play to Fernandes again. Got like the late assist जिसकी वजह से he got 10 points. In the end, if you sum it up, it's just a difference of 5 points. अगर आप captaincy flip कर दो, but ठीक है. This is just how this season is going. Bowen 8 points. Absolutely love him. Continues to be a differential. Still, no one is getting him in. I think he's like one of the best forwards in the game now. Actually कुछ चेंज हुआ है उसकी गेम में ना, जब से नूनो ने उसको राइट विंग पे डाला है. एक तो ही इज गेटिंग मोर डेफकॉन्स, ऑल्सो थोड़े और क्रिएटिव रोल में आ गए हैं. ही इज ऑन पेनल्टीज बिकॉज पाकेटा हैज लेफ्ट, एंड ऑल्सो उन पे थोड़ा फोकस कम हो रहा है बिकॉज थोड़े और फोकल पॉइंट्स है अटैक में. बिकॉज समरविल हैज ऑल्सो स्टेप्ड अप, थोड़ा फोकस उसके ऊपर होता है बिकॉज दे हैव 2 स्ट्राइकर्स नाउ, फिलिपे एंड टाटी कास्टियानोस. थोड़ा और मुझे लगता है कि बोवन के ऊपर थोड़ा वो स्पेसेस उसे ज्यादा मिल गए हैं. Anyways, off the right when he plays, he cuts in on his left and he can do whatever. This was a lucky goal, obviously, but I'll take it. He's been a really, and he's always good for bonus. He'll play every match 90 minutes, etc. So I absolutely love him. Thiago, can't really blame him because almost 2/3 of the match was with 10 men. So जैसे ही red card मिला शाडे को, it was over for him. Rice got an assist last time in the Carabao Cup, but जब से मैं उसको लाया हूँ, he has been very very underwhelming. The player I sold him for, Cunha, 2 मैच में off the bench आके goal assist and last match में scored a goal. क्या कर सकते हैं? Bruno doing Bruno things. Rogers was extremely disappointing. NDI was extremely disappointing. Defense did all right. Timber, Gabriel, clean sheet. Alderete disappointing कि Defcon नहीं मिला, especially because Mukiele got an assist, bonus, etc. Dubravka, Vicario, keepers anyways don't matter too much. But हाँ मतलब bench is also nothing. Xhaka is injured. Thiago got a 0-pointer. Nico O'Reilly continues to be shit. But yeah, my only वो है कि हाँ Haaland captain करा in place of Bruno, 5 point वहाँ पे ज़्यादा आ जाते, but hardly season defining for me at this moment. Bhadi Saab 57 points as well. Yeah.
57, 60 odd K red arrow as well from 550K to 620K. It was actually much worse than that. I was close to 800K, I think, after Saturday or something. And Bruno, I think, probably saved it. Especially the last assist. Personally, बहुत मजा आया वो देख के. It was really a good assist as well. Team में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. Gabriel सबके पास है. Bruno captain delivered. But the hero for this week, or the legend, I would say, is Mukiele. 9-pointer assist. Bonus में था. Then I think he got knocked off the bonus because Ballard got Defcon. But 9 points is massive, yeah. I'll definitely
But
take that.
you're very unlucky. Sorry, cut you.
He
Very
should have gotten
unlucky.
He missed a
bonus.
big chance. He missed a big chance.
He could have hauled. He missed
Yeah.
a big chance. Follow up में. He was in very attacking positions. He could have had multiple assists. He was really good, man. I think he was the best player on the pitch.
No, by the way,
Oh,
also because this was the last match, correction नहीं हुआ, he should have gotten 1 bonus. Ballard is
Yeah.
out of bonus now. So he should have gotten one more point, but
this whole game is
sums up my
compromised.
season, yeah. Sums up my season. No
he should
flooding.
he should get. Ideally, you should be the first one. Yeah, 58 points होने चाहिए तो आप आपका screenshot रक्षित के ऊपर होना चाहिए था.
It's a conspiracy.
Yeah.
But I got him like 2 weeks back, I think, for Keane. Last week we assist दिया. ये हफ्ते 9-pointer, 13 points in 2 weeks. It adds up because मेरे attacking players को point नहीं देते. Manan का I think उल्टा है. Manan gets most of his points from attack. I get them from defense. चोपड़ा साहब का बैलेंस रहता है. फॉरवर्ड से मिलते हैं उन्हें. मुझे
मेरे को कहीं से नहीं मिलते. चोपड़ा साहब को कहीं से नहीं मिलते. Nice
So
balance.
he literally saved what could have been like a 200K red arrow, made it into a 50-60K, so I'll take it. But जैसे आपने कहा, last 5-6 हफ्ते से everyone is in the similar position, 40-50 पॉइंट आ रहे हैं. ये हफ्ते थोड़े ज्यादा आ गए, नहीं तो 45 आते हैं usually, and the ranks are like 100 के ऊपर 200 के नीचे, वैसे ही चल रहा है. That kind of season कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah. Fair enough. Let's move on to Manan. Manan, you got 56 points. It's the same score, man. 5 at the back. Matlab, you went for 4 at the backs. Yeah, Saka did not play, obviously. So
And then Thiago also
Thiago,
did
I
not
think, came
play.
off.
Yeah.
Yeah, also did not play.
No.
But yeah,
he
go on.
play-
Anyways.
he played and conceded and yellow card and everything. So
Yeah.
basically, I played with 10 men. जब से मैंने भाटिया साहब को बोला है कि आप 10 men से खेल रहे हो, फिर उन्होंने नूनेस और आइले टू नूनेस किया, मेरे ग्रीन एरोज रुक गए. इट्स लाइक उन्होंने श्राप दे दिया भाई, तू अब से 10 men पे खेलेगा. रैंडम वार्म अप इंजरी साका की. खेलता तो what could have been, but again कुछ नहीं होता.
खेलता तो एक assist आता ना,
खेलता
ज्यादा
कुछ नहीं होता.
जिस तरह
हाँ, but बात वो है ना, 2 पॉइंट भी आते तो मैं आप दोनों से ऊपर होता ना. So,
अरे यार, दुनिया से compete करो.
Yeah,
आपको हमारी पड़े.
Verbruggen last minute clean sheet wipe out. Hall he was on for bonus as well, so again कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका. O'Reilly, as Rakshit mentioned, shit pick. Timber, Gabriel सबके पास है. Enzo is
मेरे
the
पास
hero.
नहीं है भाई. I'm struggling with one Arsenal defense. I don't even have a second Arsenal defense.
क्या
But he'll get
5
it.
पॉइंट दे रहा है, 4 पॉइंट 5 पॉइंट टिम्बर. गोल मारता है तो उसे ओन गोल दे देते हैं. नॉर्मली आपके डिफेंडर गोल खा के डेफकॉन देके मैच कर देते हैं उसे.
हाँ, चालो आप पे 3 गोल डाले थे तो भी 4-5 पॉइंट दे देता है. Anyway, Enzo has been insane. Like last 3 weeks, I've gotten him. 3 weeks में उसने he has done really well. People thought कि वो ज़्यादा start नहीं करेगा, but again the quotes were again Rosenier के काफी अच्छे थे कि his body recovers very fast and he's planning to utilize him in every game. So Going forward as well, I think I like Enzo for the next 3 game weeks. I still think you can get him. उसके अलावा Roger shit, Thiago shit, Bruno really got lucky with that last assist, and Haaland again shit team, shit game, shit week. Yeah, let's move on.
Yeah, there are so many players I want to talk about, but करते हैं आगे बात. But essentially the same score. Something has to change, guys. Something has to change. And that change is not going to come for fixtures, as we decided, because fixtures don't matter. They genuinely don't matter. I don't know what to say. Manan, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, just want to say about let's say again, no one's targeting Wolves, but one thing जो इससे पता पड़ती है उनके आगे पीछे के भी fixtures अच्छे नहीं है. So if you are actually getting a Wolves player, you'll have to probably bench him for the fixtures. Palace away, Villa at home, Liverpool at home. मतलब they don't scream good fixtures. So I would not recommend anyone to get a Wolves player for the double. I think it's just gonna be a body for the sake of a double. उसके अलावा Liverpool is a team जो मैं sort of I don't think I can say are on the up, but Ekitike is really someone जो मुझे थोड़ा सा tempt कर रहा है. It's making me think. It's not about the brace. It's just नहीं उसके returns नहीं आए, but Bhatia have been really unlucky because he has looked good. He has got chances every week, right?
So I had him for 3 home games, 2.7 XG. I got 6 points in 3 games. I sold him last week. He didn't start. This week, 13 points.
Now you know what was the problem though, right?
Just keep whatever you have forever.
Yeah.
This hokey cokey though has not worked out for any of us this
season.
Yeah.
Sure. Exactly.
Has not worked out, bro.
You just hold on to a player and that's it. If they return, they return. Yeah, I agree. Do you guys feel like, so let's say Thiago is next 2 weeks, again, obviously I'll keep him, but Sade ka red card makes a little difference in terms of Newcastle, Arsenal, any which ways itna acha attack nahi raksha. Just want to get your opinion.
Nah? Arsenal is separate. उसको separate रखूंगा. That's the only case जहाँ पे मैं probably bench करने का सोच सकता हूँ. But against any other team मैं नहीं करूँगा. Newcastle again he will have spaces. Dango Dara is still there. हमने देखा है कि Lewis Potter front 3 में खेल सकता है and he can do pretty well in those scenarios as well.
He can be a differential. Is he a defender? He's listed as defender, right? Lewis Potter.
अगर आपको free hit करना for example तो punt है, but Newcastle is not the best anyways. This is exactly the sort of game I feel Thiago जहाँ पे doubts creep होने शुरू हो रहे हैं. Newcastle अपने home पे अच्छी apparently, so goal नहीं खाती and whatever. कि Thiago can suddenly like do something. I'm not saying he's going to score a brace or a hat trick or something.
I think he's going to score a penalty.
You look exactly Dango Tara है तो penalty को भी आ सकती है, right? You just look at Thiago का overall numbers this season. You look at his patterns. You look at his hauls जो आते हैं वो patches में आते हैं. And you also look at the overall numbers like XG for example, and he plays 90 minutes. Also you look at again अगर आप Brentford के fixtures देख रहे हो, long term देख रहे हो, Newcastle it's okay. फिर Arsenal अगर आप bench कर सकते हो, फिर Brighton, Burnley, Bournemouth, Wolves, Leeds, Everton, Fulham, Man United, West Ham. Wow,
long term great fixture.
Yeah. So मेरे ख्याल से तो just fucking keep him, man. What is the player you're gonna get? Joao Pedro, Thiago हटा के. Again, is there a guarantee he's going to do well? I'm not sure. So that's
how do you guys feel about Joao Pedro as a pick though? Because obviously he's done well. He continues to do well. हमें नहीं पता if he starts this match because he has played a lot of minutes. But do you guys think, because a lot of people are transferring him?
He didn't start the last game as well, but he got 10 points.
Yeah.
So Joao Pedro वैसा player है जो patchy है, like similarly like Thiago. When he's on it, he's on it.
Similar to Foden.
Yeah, Foden is like the definition of fluky or patchy.
Then it's like 4 weeks this season.
4 weeks. Yeah.
And ये जो manager है Rossinier, he seems to like Joao Pedro as well. They have a good relationship, good bonding, जो भी है good understanding. So ऐसे players जो managers के लिए खेलते हैं, they tend to perform slightly better. So अगर Joao Pedro start भी नहीं करता है, still for the next 3 good option. But उसके लिए आप Thiago बेचोगे, and again you have to buy Thiago. That's not the best option. If you have a worse forward to sell, Pedro is not a bad punt.
Okay.
Yeah, I think my take is I think he's gonna miss one match, not start one match in the next 3. They're all in a week. He started against Arsenal, played 90 minutes, right? So it's considering कि जो rotation होती है वहाँ पे, it's a fair assumption कि Wolves, Leeds, Burnley में से एक वो miss करेगा, right? And हर week वो आके off the bench आपको नहीं देगा points. उसके बाद आर्सेनल अवे, एस्टन विला अवे, then you have Newcastle, Everton away,
Everton,
and then again it's wild card territory. Blank होगा नहीं, but उनका blank नहीं है, right?
चेल्सी का नहीं हुआ नहीं.
They don't have a blank, right? So anyways, you will probably wild card in like 31, 32 or something. So it's just about these 3 matches probably, and
Yeah.
उसमें से probably he'll like miss one, not start in one. So if you
Yeah,
feel
probably.
कि हाँ worth it है तो आप ला सकते हो. Probably is it worth selling Thiago, to get in someone like Joao Pedro? I'm not sure. Will he even start this match? I'm not sure. 100%
What,
sure.
what, what about a third forward spot? Do you think? Okay, मैं मेरी टीम में बात करूंगा about it because
Yeah, we will do it.
it's a
We'll do it.
scenario-based thing. But let's move on.
Go on. Okay, fine. Only thing on Wolves I'll say is that they should have scored in this match. They were in it for a long time before the winner came in. 2-0 jo ho gaya tha. They had 4 big chances in this match. They had like a 1.5 के आसपास का XG. And again, मतलब defensively they were not that bad. So they are not really a team जिनका आप target कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
They will not, maybe clean sheet के लिए they're okay, but they are offensively decent. They certainly do not get thrashed by any team. So again मैं बोलूँगा it's like an okay fixture. Away match है. One more thing, if you actually go and see कि last Carabao Cup matches जो हुए थे midweek में, उसके बाद चारों teams के आप देखना results. Arsenal, Chelsea, Man City, and Newcastle, they all struggled because these midweek matches were so physically intense, right? जो actually Champions League के नहीं हो रहे हैं. So ये वाले matches से recovery में मुझे ज़्यादा concern है. तो मेरे को genuinely concern है for teams like Newcastle, जो वैसी threadbare है, उनका best player Bruno Guimaraes is out injured, पता नहीं कब आएगा, कितना fit है, I'm not sure. And recovering, एक दिन कम है recovery का, and recovering and facing a team like Brentford, it screams like probably an upset or something. I would probably keep him, man.
Fair.
Probably keep him. Okay, let's quickly go to this. I want to ask you about some midfielders, okay, and just give me your opinion on them because बहुत सारे midfield में slots हैं. Okay, Bhatia साहब, let me start with you. Just let me know कि quick thoughts on these midfielders. Mbeumo. And I'm not just talking about this week. I'm talking about the next 4-5 weeks.
Good pick. Looks nailed. Played 90 this week. Played striker. Didn't score, but I don't think he's a bad option. Decent option for the next week.
Do you foresee problems in terms of minutes, low blocks, the fact that Sesko came back into form? Maybe Mbeumo की जगह Sesko replacement.
Comparison to Cunha, is he the better pick again?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. It's hard to say whether Mbeumo is a worse pick than Cunha at the moment. Like Cunha is playing slightly better. He's getting the points. He's having more impact. But I think Mbeumo को ये match में एक decent chance था. He hit it on target or something. I don't really remember. But बाकी he was not too involved in the play. But that doesn't mean कि अगले game में भी वैसा ही होगा. So I would say if you have him, hold him. But there's no rush to buy him as such.
Manan Cunha.
Like him. Again, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि Mbeumo might be the better pick in terms of minutes, but what Cunha is doing in the minutes he's getting, again obviously 2 matches में he was subbed off. I don't remember last match में कितने minutes खेला था वो, but did he play the full 90?
70 odd.
70 odd again.
Yeah.
So that's a thing that's a concern obviously, but I still feel when I watch a United match, he has more impact than Mbeumo is what I can say, and he makes chaos. Like he can dribble past few players. He gets into good positions. So I like Cunha more than Mbeumo, but I still feel I'm not sure because of the 60-70 minutes sub on Cunha.
But it's up Morgan Rogers.
You should tell about. You have him, right?
He's your boy. You go for it.
I would just keep him, man. I just keep him. I think थोड़ा सा physically grueling Europa League match हुआ था विला का, and थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है affect किया था with a lot of things. They had a lot of players missing. मुझे लगता है धीरे-धीरे players like Luiz will settle in, Tielemans will eventually be back, and Villa did create a lot of chances. Again, they could not finish. It's just that the XG gods have turned against them. I feel कि away matches थोड़े से जैसे काफी flip था ना कि home में विला अच्छा करी, away में नहीं. मुझे लगता है away में they can do fine. They I think beat Newcastle last away match में, so don't be surprised अगर इस away match में Bournemouth है यार, Bournemouth है, right? So Bournemouth always give you spaces and chances.
This
so
is the game for him. He has to
do
well this game because अच्छा fixture है उसके लिए.
Exactly, he's exactly the sort of player. Just keep him, man. मतलब I would say कि उसके भी haul या returns predict करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So
just to add on it, the next 3 fixtures are, especially the next 2, Brighton and Leeds at home. I'd just keep it. Both matches को suit करेंगे. Brighton spaces मिलेगी उसको to run into it. Even Bournemouth. And again, Leeds वाला match थोड़ा सा I don't know कैसा होगा, but Villa definitely last 2 home games जो वो हारे हैं ना, अब I don't know how they'll feel at home, but हाँ ये match में I think he should get a return, and I personally feel he might be on penalties as well. So let's see.
The problem
Okay.
with Rodgers
Bhatia-
is
yeah.
Villa have scored like 2 or 3 goals in the last 4 games, so
Yeah.
they're just not scoring enough. So
But they're
Bournemouth
creating
away,
chances now. They
they are,
creating
but eventually we're not getting points for chances created, right? He has
Yeah,
to get
true.
an assist or a goal. Bournemouth अच्छा fixture है, आपने बोला next अच्छा fixture. If he blanks in the next 2, then again we have to look at alternatives because
I agree.
कितना chance होगा. Fixtures अच्छे हैं, points चाहिए. Next pick जिसके बारे में पूछना चाहता हूँ, मनन ने बोला Enzo, still a good pick to get him in. 3 हफ्ते अच्छे fixture है, might still be on penalties whenever Palmer's not playing as well.
Yeah, but again, I just feel Enzo, हमने देखा चेल्सी की थोड़े से fixtures turn हो रहे हैं, but Enzo is definitely that sort of a pick. आप fixtures में भी आप रख सकते हो. You remember Rakshit, हम बात कर रहे थे Enzo की around 2021, right? I eventually got him in I think 22. 2021 में it was 2 difficult fixtures. He got goals in both of those games. Difficult fixtures में वो बॉक्स क्रैश करता है, वो अभी भी करता है. अगर आप उसको डीप में खिलाओ, वो लास्ट 30 मिनट्स में he'll again crash in the box. And I just feel like he's still a good option. Reece James अगर नहीं होगा, he might get set pieces. I'm not sure, but personally I feel Enzo is a good option. And Palmer again, he was इतना important मैच था चेल्सी के लिए, और he again came off the bench. I don't know उसकी क्या fitness है, can he play 90 minutes or not? So if odd games में he gets penalties as well, I think it's a bonus.
Yeah, I love Enzo. I think what I wanted to see is कि new manager के under how will he play. But again with Palmer even better लग रहा है in a way. It's not
Yeah.
like he would drop behind कर रहा है. Again when Palmer is not there, he's on penalties also. He's taking corners also from one side. His XA numbers are very high. Perfect positions में late आता है, box से बाहर से shoot करता है. Shots कल भी most likely Chelsea scorer Enzo ही था. At least it tested the keeper. I think he's a fine player. I think you can easily get him irrespective of the fixtures. You don't need to look at the
Exactly my
fixtures.
point. Yeah.
एक इंटरेस्टिंग है भाटिया साहब आपके लिए प्लेयर हु इज आई थिंक हमने बात तक नहीं करी उसके बारे में, इज वर्ड्स. ही इज कंटिन्यूइंग टू डू वेल फॉर सो मेनी
I was about to ask.
and
yeah.
we don't even fucking consider him. Why?
Because we're shit FPL managers.
But genuinely, Florian Wirtz has look at
Because,
his returns. He's been really good.
He's smashed the home games. मैं recent form देख रहा था, and I've been trying a way to fit him in my team after a couple of weeks after they play Man City. But actually, you have to be someone has money and a transfer. I don't think he's the worst shot this week. City are not that great defensive, especially playing at Anfield. They will get chances. Away games इतने अच्छे नहीं है Liverpool के. I think they're playing Forest away, Sunderland away. Could be tricky, low scoring type of games. But उसके बाद उनका run बहुत अच्छा है. So still not too late to get Wirtz. I think proper differential under 15-20% ownership. Yeah, still go and get it.
I mean, also the best part about him is he gets a goal, he gets 3 bonus.
Yeah.
That's the best thing about him, because वो इतना involved होता है in everything that Liverpool does. So again, I like him. Even I actually like him क्योंकि रक्षित ने एक point बोला था कि this cup matches के बाद the team struggle, and I don't know अब City कैसी team खिलाएगी. Obviously that's to be seen आज रात में, but I still feel Liverpool के लिए काफी अच्छा game है. And if कोई कुछ भी करेगा, Ekitike and Wirtz जो सबसे ज्यादा involved होते हैं, so I still like him for this match as well.
One more player which we don't have, I don't know why, might be the most owned player in the game, is Manan Semenyo.
Oh yeah, we
You
have
see
to
where I'm
talk
going
about-
with these picks, right? Like
Yeah.
every pick we are saying अच्छा pick है, ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है. भाई सारे picks नहीं होते ना आपकी टीम में, but they are all doing well. Semenyo again. Any reason why anyone should not have him?
And I don't think he's getting dropped anytime. Pep roulette कुछ नहीं होना है उसके साथ, because he is the most likely goal scorer now for City. He looks like it. Haaland से भी ज़्यादा है. He's getting the minutes. He is involved, and he's a very good finisher. Unfortunately, मैंने सोचा नहीं था इस सीजन से पहले, इस सीजन में ये बोलूंगा कि but Semenyo he has been finishing really really well. And City करती है इतनी chances create कि उसको 2-3 तो मिल ही जाती है. He is finishing one of those chances. So I just feel like he's a very good pick, and despite the fixtures, I think he is the attacker to get from City.
भाई
if you
इसके
wanna
बाद
go.
fixtures भी अच्छे उनके. They don't have bad fixtures after this week.
Let me
And
just check.
only
Yeah.
problem with City is if people are too worried about a game week 31 blank, but that is 6 game weeks away.
Yeah,
you always
that's-
have transfers. If you अगर अभी आपको 6 हफ्ते में पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं, गेम वीक 31 में आप हिट ले सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So Semenyo, I
Yeah,
think, is
and-
going under the radar, like in terms of the active managers.
Yeah.
And एक और player है ऐसा जो हम बात नहीं करते because, like I said, we are shit FPL managers. Harry Wilson.
And wait a second. And Morgan Gibbs White continues to do well.
And Morgan Gibbs White.
And Elliot
Continues to
Anderson.
do
Like,
well.
Every
And
fucking
Elliot
week he's
Anderson.
getting points.
What are we doing? Why are
Look at
you
his
playing
overall
this?
points.
Why are you doing this?
And
pod?
and a guy who and a guy who's gonna be back this week playing at home, Bruno Guimaraes. He's gonna fucking score again. I'm telling you. We have none of these
Okay,
players. bro.
okay. Let's so
चलो
while
एक
we have,
Exactly.
हाँ
while we have
एक
talked about it, let's-
रैंकिंग कर लेते हैं अंडर 8
Exactly.
million
No,
या
no,
अंडर
ऐसा भी
7
नहीं.
million.
ऐसा भी नहीं. If you are wildcarding today, what is your 5 midfield or 4 midfield, whatever? Just let's. Why do we need to exclude?
चलो
Let's
मैं
say
आप दोनों से सवाल करता हूँ इसी पे कि आप दोनों के पास अभी राइस नहीं है, राइट?
Yeah.
मेरे पास है.
उसके
You
पास
have
है.
rice, right?
Yeah.
Bhatia sahab, I feel stuck with rice because I feel कि I'll just go with triple Arsenal defense and like spend money on all these midfielders because again इतने explosive midfielders हैं अब कि वो राइस की safety लगता है कि हाँ यार मतलब कुछ आ नहीं रहा है खास.
That I agree.
Agreed.
Right? So
Agreed.
yeah.
I don't
So-
really have the transfers to sell Rice and get another defender at the moment. I was actually considering Enzo for this week, but I want to know agar any of the other picks below 7 million. Do you think Enzo is a stand?
That's where I think we can do this activity where if you are wildcarding today,
Let's do that.
what's
4
your
midfielder.
midfield? 4 or 5, whatever. You can go 5 as well. Like you, but you have
Probably
to
go
rank.
5, man.
Yeah, I'll go 5 personally. Yeah.
So
And
first pick is
number
Bruno.
1 on the list is Bruno जिसकी बात ही नहीं करी हमने,
I
right? Which
agree.
is a must,
Bruno
like a
Fernandes
sort of a must
is
have.
a must-have. Yeah.
Second, I would say Enzo. इतना essential हो गया.
मेरे लिए तो second Enzo. I agree. मतलब I think he is very involved, and I think he'll be in my. I won't. He might be second or third, but yeah, he'll be there.
मेरे लिए Words
Definitely these
रहेगा.
two will be there.
Sorry, what, Rakshit?
Yeah, these two will be there in my team also for sure.
I think Words will be in the top 3 or 4. Definitely in the conversation.
I don't know. I'd probably place Semenyo there personally. And I'd go 2 more will be. Yeah, Words might be there. Yeah, Words might be there on 4th, and probably
Semenyo
one of
definitely.
Wilson. Probably one of Wilson Gibbs White, 5th. Yeah, or Elliot Anderson.
Problem with United is कि we still don't know who's the better pick.
I won't go to United personally. Personally, I won't go to United on wildcard because, as you
I
mentioned,
would still, if I'm going 5, I would still go to United personally because मुझे लगता है कि the way आगे होने वाला है with Europe and everything and quick fixture turnaround and whatever, I'd punt on one because United will score goals. So I'd probably currently go one of Cunha and Mbeumo. Which one to go, I don't know the answer because we do not have the information. If you want to skip, you can because better probably to go for reliable options like Florian Wirtz, right? But again, matlab, it's your choice. I would still go Morgan Rogers also. उसके suddenly आएंगे और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. But there is no guarantee. There's another guy, by the way, Ismaila Sarr, who might be on penalties now.
Oh yeah, Sarr.
Palace have Brighton, Wolves, and Leeds. Wolves and Burnley, I think, at home.
Yeah.
3 consecutive matches. He might be on pens. I don't know. Again, a good option. So it's
What is the conclusion from this discussion?
there is no conclusion. Go with whatever
The
the fuck you
conclusion
want.
is Rice is not in the top 10 midfield picks currently. I think that's
Rice is
And-
not. Yeah.
But a double ke liye, this means you will go triple Arsenal defense. If you go triple Arsenal defense, then would you go
And
Raya at the
captaincy.
back? Would you go Saliba? Would you go Calafiori, Hincapié? What the
no,
fuck will
and
you
if
do?
you go triple after defense, are you still triple captaining Gabriel on top of that?
Yeah. And what do you plan to do? Because there are other defensive options also जिनके लिए आप consider कर सकते हो. Those reliable DEFCON guys जो Arsenal में सिर्फ Gabriel है. Then what do you do? Like who is the third defensive option? I don't know.
That's the thing. If you can go third defense as Raya, okay, I'm fine with not getting Rice. But I don't have that much क्योंकि और goalkeepers भी ऐसा नहीं है. I know मतलब आते रहेंगे बीच में, but I still like Raya from now, and you can hide him 31 game week on the bench for Dubravka. That's easier. But with respect to third Arsenal defender, I don't know if I want Saliba or
Saliba.
Calafiori. I don't know.
Saliba for the minutes.
Yeah, probably.
Such
But
a
again,
boring
it's just
pick,
6.
though, Saliba. Such
Very
a
boring.
Yeah.
But so is
उससे
Raya.
ज्यादा तो मुकिएला आपको हर
So is
game में दे
Raya.
देगा.
So is Raya. So is Raya.
Yeah. But
But then if you
then
want Arsenal defensive coverage, you have only Gabriel, Timber and maybe Raya.
so that's the thing
And
na,
Raya का
Rice.
value क्या है कि 31 में like Manan said, you can just put him on your bench.
Yeah.
And और keeper मतलब जो हमारे पास है, at least हम तीनों की बात कर सकते हो, कोई कुछ उखाड़ नहीं रहा. So we are getting 1-2 pointers, so might as well get the clean sheet.
The thing is कि there is no guarantee कि अब Rice next 3 matches हैं जो he can do well. He can give you 20 points over these 3 matches. कोई guarantee नहीं है भाई. Even last night like he was playing so deep, suddenly end में 90 minutes में ही run बनाया, उसने बढ़िया assist दिया और मिल गया उसे again defcon assist bonus सब ले जाता वो in this sort of match. So कोई भरोसा नहीं है भाई.
If you have him, hold him, but I'm not sure he's a buy right now.
Even against Leeds, he was close to scoring. Even एक previous match में I think Saka जब off the bench आया था, Rice was again getting close to scoring. And Rice के सारे hauls have come away from home.
Away from him.
And they have 2 away matches in the double.
You're not helping Manan.
Conversion, man. Yeah, Rakshit never helps,
Hey,
bro. What are you expecting?
See, the thing is with if you wildcard, you will go triple Arsenal. Now the question Manan is कि will you go Raya or will you go Rice?
I'll personally go
There's no
Raya.
flip-flop.
I'll personally go Raya, but yeah, just my point. Okay. We'll talk about captaincy in our teams. Yeah.
Bhatia Saab, this is your team. What are your plans?
So Dubravka, Gabriel, Tarkowski, Chalobah, Mukiele फिलहाल team में है, but I might make a transfer and keep him on the bench. Bruno captain, I think that's the only bit I'm sure about. Mbuemo, Rogers is fine, Rice is fine, Haaland, Thiago I'm playing. One free transfer, I think 2 odd million in the bank. So plan is to do Xhaka to Enzo and bench Mukiele. And next week probably do Pope to Raya. That is the plan for the next 2 weeks. Gives me
Like
3
it.
Arsenal double defense. Because I'm not sure I want to sell, like I want to sell Chalobah, but not for the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Tarkowski also is good for DEFCON. Nunes has decent fixtures. Like I don't know who to sell to get Timber. I know Timber is a better asset than Raya, but kisko becho?
No, I actually like that. Ki Pope to Raya, and you actually need a goalkeeper as well. So it solves your goalkeeper headache as
Like
well.
Newcastle are not doing great. Their fixtures are not great.
Yeah.
Raya gives me the clean sheet coverage at least. Maybe Timber gives you a couple of extra assists. Fair enough. You deserve that. But spot नहीं है यार मेरी टीम में मतलब. I would
Raya
love
तो
to
नहीं
sell
है, couple of
Chalobah.
extra assist, but okay.
आ सकता है. Potential तो है. Raya में वो potential नहीं.
And Captain Bruno?
Captain Bruno, only thing I was considering was if I want to not go Enzo, which is foolish of me. I should have got him a couple of weeks back. But if I still don't want to get him, what are my other options? Less than 6.87. Harry Wilson, I'm not sure he's worth.
Harry
What
Wilson's
better?
fixtures are turning though. They're for good,
Sarr.
right? So Sarr.
Sarr, yes. But again, Sarr blanks in 31.
How do you
One
guys
more
feel
thing.
about Sarr though? Rakshit, just a couple of हमने इतने midfielders की बात की. Do you think Sarr is there with all those midfielders?
Because इतने midfielders हैं मैं नहीं consider करूँगा.
Exactly.
Because इतने सारे options हैं. He's not a bad pick though. अगर वो penalties पे है तो
Hey.
I don't know the way Stan Larson took his penalty earlier this season. मेरे को लगता है सार रह सकता है. But again मतलब सार के returns किस match में आने वाले it's difficult. But penalties might change it though.
Palace be inconsistent about, so you don't know what you're getting. Like with Chelsea, you know they're scoring a couple of goals most games, so I think that makes
Yeah, I think
Enzo very
Enzo
solid.
versus Sarr में तो I'll go Enzo, but yeah.
Yeah. I think I have to get Enzo. Straightforward.
Okay. Manon, this is your team. Yeah, are you selling Saka? But for who?
Yeah, that's the I don't have currently plans. I want to ask you guys between first of all Verbruggen and Dubravka. I'm not sure who I'll play. I think I'll play Verbruggen, but just about because West Ham looks more likely the scoring than Palace. Palace, I don't know. उतना मुझे free scoring लग नहीं रही as a team, which is where I don't want to also go for Sarr. Tarkowski is fine. Gabriel is fine. O'Reilly is going this week. I'm so happy he's going this week. Timber is gonna stay. Baki Enzo, Bruno, Rogers, Thiago, and Haaland are fine. I have 2 free transfers. I'm planning to make 3 moves for a hit. It's most likely gonna be either Saka to Rice, O'Reilly to if I don't want to go triple defense, Saka to Rice, O'Reilly to a defender, probably Munoz, or a cheapo Hill and upgrade my fifth mid to Harry Wilson or someone or a Sar or a. I can even reach Mbuemo if I go 3.8 or something. Cunha, sorry, not Mbuemo. 3.8 defender or something. I have money for that. So plan is to either go fifth fifth mid ko mere upgrade karna, and if I don't go Rice, if I go triple defense, I really like it because then I'll have Saliba probably, but Gabriel's O'Reilly to Saliba, Saka to a Semenyo, and King to a Wilson or something like that. So just have to think about it more, or I can also, I think, afford Semenyo and Words. I'll have to check, but yeah, something like that.
So
hit
what are you
lane.
doing?
I'm not sure. You like triple defense looks so good. Triple Arsenal defense looks so good for the double, but I just feel like I'll be
So you're
stuck with
basically
that.
getting Rice.
Yeah, I don't know. What would you guys do in this situation? I just want a suggestion. I'm not sure actually what I'll do. So I will sell Saka, obviously, but to Rice or just to get Saliba is such a boring pick. If Calafiori was performing well, I would easily get O'Reilly to do O'Reilly to Calafiori. But I've been burned with Calafiori in the past. So, Rakshit, what would you do? What's your
By the
suggestion?
way, do you need triple Arsenal for the double?
Yeah, I will.
Really?
I do. Yeah, I do. Yeah, really, very really. Yeah, like 100% really. I think you have asked this question last week as well, but yeah, I
I
will.
don't like the third defender. I'd like Raya more. In the sense that
Same.
there is no, the keepers are all shit. That's why I'm saying.
Yeah, same,
But
same,
you
same.
do have defensive options. I would say ki sensible move is to get Rice. He's gonna play the next three. Look at the next three, right? There's Sunderland, Brentford, and Wolves. I think he's gonna start every match because Premier League pe pura focus hai. And I think he's gonna do fairly okay. I guess the thing is ki the whatever player you get, there is no guarantee ki wo Rice ko outperform karega over these next 2-3 at least. With Rice having the extra fixture also. You just need one assist from Rice in the double and he'll hit 10 points overall in that double. And this weekend is Sunderland at home.
Yeah, I'm most
Which is
likely
a match
gonna
you
go
can
for
easily
Rice.
do well against. It's like
Yeah.
one of the best matches. Yeah. So अगर आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल एम्बुआमो कुनिया में से एक ला रहे हो, यू डोंट नो कि कौन अच्छा करेगा, करेंगे बट कौन अच्छा करेगा. इफ यू आर गेटिंग समवन लाइक, और क्या बोला था आपने, इस्माइला सार, अगेन यू डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली कि दिस इज द वीक टू गेट हिम और नॉट.
Words,
If you're getting like
Semenyo.
Florian Wirtz, fine, longer term, fine. I don't mind it, but that's like a longer term move. Probably get that for a fifth mid rather than the fourth mid option.
And
can.
if you have to prioritize one between, let's say if I do Saka to Rice, upgrade King to a Semenyo or a Words, who would be your preference, Semenyo or Words?
I'd go Wirtz personally.
What is that?
See, City have won 2 in their last 8 matches, I think, in all competitions. One Premier League win in the last 6. They lost to Bodo Glimt also in the Champions League, by the way. They're not playing well, by the way.
Yeah,
Clearly not playing well. I'm not saying he's not a bad option. He'll continue to do well. They're not going to stop scoring goals. I'm not saying all those things. But they are not playing well right now. That's for sure. I also feel कि एक point of time ऐसा आएगा. Let's assume, can we assume Arsenal win against Sunderland? If City drop points, for example, if they lose to Liverpool, big gap भाई.
Yeah, 9
And
points.
I think overall, आगे का अगर देख रहे हैं ना, आगे का, and with Arsenal having the double, थोड़ा scoreboard pressure भी होगा अगर Arsenal let's say जीत जाती है दोनों. I think they might just focus on the cups and just give up on the league. I'm not saying they're going to stop winning matches, but there are a lot of matches coming up for City. And they just might be like, ठीक है यार, मतलब let's इतना focus नहीं है league, let's focus on the Champions League and the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup final, etc.
Fair. I'll Saka to Rice is something, and add King to someone and O'Reilly to someone. Yeah, I'll have to decide. I'll post it on our Gupshup Telegram channel whenever I'll make the move. So
Nice plug.
Go and subscribe. Yeah, go and join Telegram channel.
This is my team. I'm gonna sell Haaland this week. I'm gonna get Ekitike. I'm gonna take him on whatever because I'm not gonna captain him this week or the next week. This week it's Bruno. Next week it's a double, and uske next week it's a Newcastle. It's a good match, but there are other options also. And फिर मैं वाइल्ड कार्ड पे अगेन आई कंसिडर कि वापस लाना है नहीं लाना है, बट ऐसा कुछ फियर नहीं इंस्टिल करा है मेरे अंदर हालैंड ने ओवर द लास्ट 1.5 मंथ्स की, मतलब आई नीड टू हैव हिम, अगर स्पेशली मैं उसे कैप्टन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, राइट? तो आई एम गोना गेट एकेटीके मोस्ट लाइकली, आई एम गोना गेट एकेटीके फॉर श्योर. I think I have a prediction ki if he stays fit, he's gonna double his goal tally till the end of the season. I think he's really good. I think I think he's gonna be the second highest goal point scoring forward end of the season में, especially जब तक Isak नहीं आता है. I really like him. I think Liverpool के fixtures are good. मेरी टीम में fit हो रहा है, मेरे को थोड़े पैसे की भी ज़रूरत है. So I'm gonna get him in, and also because I want to have a bit of fun. So I'm gonna get AKTK. उसके अलावा फिर मेरे पास बहुत पैसा आ जाएगा, बट अगर मैं सडनली देखूं इस वीक मेरी प्रायोरिटी क्या है, तो मिडफील्ड 4 इज फाइन. एंड आई एम गोना गिव वन मोर वीक, एंड इफ ही डज नॉट लुक गुड और ब्लैंक्स, आई एम गोना सेल हिम टू समवन, बट आई एम गोना गिव हिम वन मोर वीक एंड सी. डिफेंस में मेरे को कुछ अगेन, या तो मैं थियाओ रखूं और थियागो बेंच करूं और जाका को अपग्रेड करूं, या फिर मैं थियागो खिलाऊं और फिर मैं थियागो को बेंच करूं. इफ आई बेंच थियागो देन आई हैव टू अपग्रेड समवन. सो आई एम लुकिंग एट मुनियोज इन माय टीम. आई नो पैलेस आर शिट, दे हैव बीन शिट. आई हैव फेथ इन द एसेट, so I am happy to hold him. He created 4 chances in the last match. The thing is ki if Palace don't win at least 2 of the next 3, they might get relegated, and because they have been on a really poor run of form, so they have to do something. स्टैन लार्सन की मतलब उसकी एक रेपुटेशन है कि ही इज़ अ गुड फिनिशर, एंड मुझे लगता है कि विद सार कमिंग बैक, मुझे लगता है विद मुनियोज कमिंग बैक, मुझे लगता है विद समवन लाइक स्टैन लार्सन अप फ्रंट, आई फील कि वी विल सी लाइक अ मार्जिनल इम्प्रूवमेंट इन पैलेस. अगर वो नहीं आता है इम्प्रूवमेंट, दे आर गॉन, दे माइट गेट रेलिगेटेड. सो आई एम विलिंग टू टेक दिस पंट. ब्राइटन आर अ टीम जो मुझे लगता है दे विल gives Palace spaces, तो मुझे लगता है it's a good match for Palace. It's not a bad match. बहुत flaky team है. उसके बाद I think they have Wolves and Burnley at home, which are like the 2 best fixtures in the game. तो I'm gonna get Munoz most likely for O'Reilly this week and bench Thiaw. So Ekitike and Munoz most likely, and next week फिर I will upgrade Xhaka to someone because I'll have the money. And उसके अगर NDI पसंद नहीं आया तो NDI भी हटा सकता हूँ, but Xhaka to anyone I can get. So I don't mind getting Enzo एक वीक लेट भी, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर एक इस वीक नहीं ला के नेक्स्ट वीक भी लाना है, आई कैन गेट एनी यूनाइटेड मिडफील्डर, आई कैन गेट वर्ड्स इफ आई वांट टू गो लिवरपूल डबल अप, आई कैन गो एनीवन बेसिकली. सो आई सी व्हाट टू डू. ऑल्सो क्योंकि मेरे पास ये 7-8 अटैकर्स हो जाएंगे, सो 27 का विंडो इज डिसेंट फॉर अ बेंच बूस्ट ऑल्सो इफ आई वांट टू लाइक गेट रिड ऑफ इट, बिकॉज अगेन कोई गारंटी नहीं होती आगे. सो बिकॉज Alderete विल हैव लाइक Fulham at home, you will have Thiago Brighton at home, 8 attackers वैसे भी होंगे. Thiago will have Man City, so if I sell Thiago to someone, let's say Van Dijk or someone for that week, so it could be like a decent opportunity for a bench boost also. So ऐसा कुछ मैं देख रहा था, but probably these 2 moves I'm considering this week. With keeper, I don't know, Vicario probably this week because I think United will take a lot of shots, probably more chances of saves. That's about it. And I have Bowen, so yeah, this is just the move I consider.
But you're captaining Bruno.
Captain Bruno, yes.
Just
I don't see any other option this week.
Just a question on captaincy. The only other person I am considering is Gabriel. Sunderland at home is a good fixture, is what I feel, for a clean sheet. So it's all about if I see a 7-8 point at least, if because I'm assuming a clean sheet. So that's the only other player I'm considering.
Fair, and I think your moves are really attacking. So Ekitike sounds great, and Munoz is a solid punt and a great differential. So
yeah,
let's see how that goes. Should pay off.
Yeah,
but I don't think selling Haaland is a too big of a risk. So that's a good call.
No, I want to feel happy about my move, and these moves make me really happy, and that's all that matters to me in the end.
Yeah. That's FPL. That's how you should play it.
Yeah, I'm doing like random things and nothing is working out, so whatever.
Yeah.
चलो गाइज, घंटी बज गई है, सो टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करिए, एंड उसके अलावा वील जस्ट रैप अप. थैंक यू ऑल फॉर वाचिंग, एंड लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, कमेंट करना, टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करना, एंड विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट. सी यू गाइज.